to crest 282,000 miles after this journey. Boy, do I love the F450. What a good girl. And yes, I'm blocking the engine light for you guys from seeing. This is why I can't have nice things.
Why nobody can have nice things.
I'm literally gonna revoke your membership to showing up at my house.
Stop that now. I'll drive over the wall. You want me to drive over the wall?
You already did. I fixed it. And ran over the kid's bike.
Yeah, that's what you should have had on. Oh, that exhaust almost hit.
Yeah.
Almost hit, yeah.
All right, well, if you guys want to check this bed out, definitely check out JPM Tech on YouTube and Instagram. He's firing up YouTube. He's doing great things. He's got that snorkel on over there. And he's got to feed the baby.
What are you doing now?
I'm doing my intro.
Oh, okay. I thought you were already editing everything.
Yeah, this is the intro for our video.
Oh.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. This is JPM Tech. You guys got to check this build out. This thing is freaking looking sick. He just added some things to it. I'm not even going to show you any more than what I just did. Definitely check him out. I'll put his link in the description. Hopefully, maybe, if not, there it is on the screen. Definitely check out Josh. He's doing big things. And today is actually a video for him. I'm gonna do our little recording and I'm gonna show you guys what we're picking up, but I'm not gonna tell them why. If you guys want to know why we're getting it, and you know, you'll see obviously in about 2 or 3 minutes of what we're getting. But if you want to actually see what it is, you got to head over to his channel and just wait for it. Not just look at it, and then you just got to look at it.
And then you look at it.
All right, well, let's get up here and get the F450 hooked up, because the Urban Bourbon actually does not have a hitch. Plus, I mean, who cares? Let's use the F450. All right, let's get it all hooked up. All right, well, you're probably getting hammered with wind noise here, but we got an hour and 15 minutes. We've obviously been driving for about 10, but an hour and a half. Josh has kidnapped me for One Direction.
That's right.
You better appreciate this. All right, let's plug and chug. What do you guys, drop your guesses down below. Josh has a 64 Chevy. He has a Harley. He's got a Toyota. What do you think this is?
Turn left onto Pennsylvania 283.
Oh, he does have a dually. He's got a shitty Duramax dually.
I got 2 Duramaxes.
2 Duramax dualies, which we actually just passed, and they probably seen it. What do you guys think we're going to get? Drop it down below. We obviously got the trailer on the back. We're locked and loaded. I'm curious. I actually love these things, guys. I absolutely love them. It's a shame that this one's where it is, but...
For 29 miles.
29 miles on 283. Let's plug and chug. All right, guys, well, we got it here. We're getting her loaded up. Obviously, we're using the winch. And what are your guesses? Do you guys know yet what we are buying? Well, actually, Josh is buying it. I'm not buying it, but I'm helping him. What do you guys think it is? Stay tuned. Let me tap on the back. Alrighty, guys, well, like I said, I'm not going to give this away. This is 100% going to be like something that Josh is going to show you guys. So if you want to check it out, it's JPM Tech on the tube and also Instagram. But we have made it, and we made it alive. I will show you. So I will show you a little bit of why it is purchased. But the frame is pretty well shot. I mean, I know the parts that he needs is, but I know the parts that he needs, and you guys are gonna have to check out why he purchased this thing. But holy cow, even when you run around to the other side, it is fucking, even when you run around to the other side, it is freaking split in half over here as well. So you guys are definitely gonna want to check it out. And I thought I bought piles of shit, but Josh definitely takes the cake. But there you have it, guys. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Look at that freaking flex going on when he does that. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Man, I want to show you guys so much more, but Josh got to make a video on it. You'll see it. Oh my goodness. Good for you, Josh. It's almost like split the way through up top too. Really? Oh yeah. All right, guys, take care, and we will see you in the next upload. Goodness, it did it. The little 5.3 that could. Holy smokes. Now obviously we're gonna drop it, and we're gonna get the F450 to probably put it where it actually needs to be, because it's really hard to see. As you do know, the Civic here is a lot more narrow than the trailer, and obviously we don't have freaking tow mirrors on it, so it's really hard to see out and around. But oh my God, boys and girls, never did I in a million years think that I would be able to hook something to the Bruce, especially a fifth wheel, and actually, you know, maneuver it around. Now I know we didn't do any highway pulls or jump on the highway or anything, but guys, that is freaking crazy.